For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. Itiski TV powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Hello and welcome to the weekend. Mamelodi Sundowns are going to wrap up their business in CAF Champions League. They are 3-0 up going to the country of Mali against Stade Malien. We should expect them to go through to the semi-finals of that encounter. They will be playing on Sunday. All the best to them. We'll be focusing domestically this weekend, where Orlando Pirates will have a chance to be number one if they win against ETS Galaxy. For Kaizer Chiefs, they will have a chance if they win, and if they beat the bottom team, Imagesi in Durban, they will be number 3 if all the other results go according to their favor as well. Junior Kanye, my analyst, how are you, sir?
Yeah, ngikhuluma brother kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ngibulise just two.
Just sir.
Yeah, ngibulise umtsobitso la khona
Mr.
uShane abubobzini.
Yes, sir.
Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting one try to fix South African football. Ngishaya iflunyana mara siyaphela.
I can hear. Let's start with Chiefs.
Yeah.
They're playing against the bottom team in the country. Ellen Fritz Imagesi imcelile ukuthi abasize. It hasn't been well. The last time they won a game is in October last year.
Yeah.
Bahlanganise maybe more 10 games without winning a game. Yeah. It's either draw or lose or draw or lose. For Kaizer Chiefs, Bashai Durban City, last time we watched them, 1-0, unconvincing performance. But if you keep collecting those points, you move up the table. If Chiefs win, they will be number 3, securing that CAF spot. Of course, the season's still long. Yeah. What's your thinking about that game?
Yeah, one, Imagesi, Chipa United, Orbit College, they can't afford to lose games. Namatronje, it's more of if and a half of a lose.
Yeah.
They need to win games. Yeah, but by hook or crook, when they win a game over. The status of about 60-something million or 50 million, it's gone. You left with only 2 months to ukushintsha impilo yakho, especially I'm talking about players, technical team. They are themselves to blame. Akekho umuntu ekumele bamblame, yibo abazifakela. Manje sekumele ayikho igame ekumele babe ne-excuse. Whether they're playing away, they're playing home, they need to win home and away games. Or draw away, win their home games. Ngikhuluma ngalona material 3. Kaizer Chiefs, they are tremendous under pressure. Yabona abasha abantu ngesikele but bayenza ama-changes. They brought Dylan Shepard there. Dylan Shepard is their technical team. I don't call my first team. Honestly speaking, a team is struggling with. Or if I can be honest to you, how they won in Kulmangela's game. Compliment they won the game, but how they won the game, it's surprising, honestly, especially the way baqale ngakhona isizini labachitha. Sengisho ukustruggle after baqale isizini kahle ukustruggle. Phela ba struggle abantu when they win about 4 games in a row. When they lose about 5-6 games in a row. Angazi bana that pattern and routine. Ichina biwini the team yabo, they not been doing well. Abenzi kahle. Obvious kuna this thing yokuthi ama coaches ngendlela abadlala ngayo. I don't think badlala players to off position njengoba benisasho. Obviously Yepo is a strike and stuff, which mean I still believe some players they don't deserve to play there. Akuna miracle ezwenzakala kibo. They won the game ugly. They going to this game esibane confident nyana whereby they won the game. Ngibonile ama spectators abanayo this thing with this stadium so babukela game. And leon to le yaba demoralize because Kaizer Chiefs, even if they play bad, mabezwa levuvuzela and supporters come in numbers, baba na that motive behind. So they playing in Durban, a home ground, a home game yabo. Coming to FNP mhlamba bonile with nobody's watching us here. Going to Durban, people they love us, which is true. Chiefs by talented Durban. But if the team is not doing well, uzobona ngama supporters. So going to the game, Kulek is not gonna be easy game. But A1 might lose the game. Chances of them ukuthi bahlale kubhethu premiership abaslim. Another one, the more you lose game, especially Chiefs kunama game in hand. And ama game in hand akusho ukuthi uyawunama points. They need to win those games so that they can stay in top 8. Yes, I believe good top 8 manama chances amaning after especially win ama game amaning this year in the beginning of the season. But if they're not winning games, other team they're winning, bazophuma ku top 8. So it's a bit difficult nyana. And
how does Magesi get themselves to a winning position, because they have not won in 5 or 6 months? And they've played poorer opposition.
Yeah.
They keep on losing to worse teams than Kaizer Chiefs. So how do they pick themselves up?
On a structure, right. I don't know how many coaches they've changed. bekuno Owen Takami goes becala uPapi Zotshwane there were Papi the John Maduka Papi Zotshwane Owen Takama came now is Ellen Freeze. Ellen Freeze, I don't understand when did he last play. Ngiyazi ukuthi wahamba why North Africa and then he came back ngathi coach ku APC Motsepe I can't remember, and then they brought him back. I understand ukuthi what are they trying to achieve exactly. Kuzoba nzima i-team yabo the way idlala ngakhona there's no combination play, they can't even badlala njenge Durban City. I-Durban City I was shocked ukuthi babe kule position abakuyo mina.
Yeah.
Yo poor.
100%.
Poor. Honestly, ngibona i-Durban City mfethu I was shocked ukuthi baku number 5 and then iphethe premiership kunendaba kunenkinga enkulu kumele silungise. So i-team yabo I don't know how they're going to win the game. Honestly, it's
Well, I think the other thing as well, psychologically, you lose the winning feeling. Ukuze kuhlanganise performance ungawin. I think you start to believe ukuthi you are losers. And that's the biggest problem in football, and that if football is about confidence. If ungadlula inyanga like October, so November, December, AFCON, January, February, now it's March. If you can go 5 months without winning a game, I think even psychologically the players start to believe that we are not going to pick up points.
Situation I think those players, they're not getting paid somewhere somehow. I think HIV
could be one of the factors
because they're not even signing quality players. Angeke ukuthi team like khona and then you keep bring up Allen Freeze. Freeze coach ku Silver Stars as assistant coach uyalazi ibhola, but kule situation abakiyo angeke uzobring Allen Freeze anyamalele isikhathi eside kangaka and then ufuna kusave for a relegation zone. Give me, doesn't make sense. And abalethanga umuntu ngikhuluma ngo January and the way badlala ngakhona ngikhuluma nge-team nje disjointed, even the body language kuneyinkinga zemali. That's mina the wing suspect ngakhona, and leyo nto leyo vela ngeke psychology ingabashaya ama player. How many games ezusho ebayiwinile ku the past 10 games laba bantu they play home is like the same. Team yabo disjointed, how they defend poor, bayenza ama mistake, ama high school mistake. Le game le aksi game elula for bona, and ukwina le game kuzoba mountain to climb. Honestly, I know with the Chiefs they've been poor, but to win this game is going to be mountain to climb, honestly.
Yeah, before we go to your prediction, do you take Lilepo? Do you take that temptation you go to move from wide to striker, or you leave him wide?
Yeah, I mean, I've got nothing against the guy. Just
we know what you think about his quality.
Yeah.
Chiefs are playing him, and he's always been playing. I think he's got 7 goals, so he's one of their favorite players.
Yeah.
Now, looking at the current situation, do you take him wide, put him striker, or you keep him wide?
Yeah.
100%. He's going to play.
Yeah.
Now, as he is playing, whether you don't like him or not, he's going to play definitely. Now, as he is playing, is he going to play number 9 or is he going to play number 7?
Because he can't receive, he can't rep. A special firm pass, he can't make a space for himself. A guy go striker. You understand? Like someone was a run that they are clever football intelligence. Umuntu was couple, and unfortunately, Magadla is a striking. Was if he doesn't get a chance, they told us to go by layer. Or real receiver, up and then if he doesn't get that chance, the question is going to score. Yes, I'll pay him as a striker. I'm winger if now was a ball. I'm winger. I'm surprised players they play a winger and speed. You need to have football intelligence. First touch, movement of the ball, decision making. Wingers they score goals. And I was line I'm a winger ngena phakathi. And I was ukufunda game. Ya wingers kuba number 10. Umphe urile makadlali wing. Now a police we cancel wing. Angenela phakathi. Ama winger ahlakaniphila yenza kanjalo. Iba half wing. Sort of number 8 or 9. Number 8 or 10. So I'll play him as a striker. Ngimtshela hlale la. Sit there for your height. Ngoba uyakwazi nokuhetha ngeke ngambona and utall vele. He can score goals. Ngoba uyabakorela because nobody can score if akakore.
Yeah, and who do you play in that right position?
They don't have players.
Because Umfundo has been playing there Marang in the second half. Yeah. I don't know if you would be tempted above Velepa and Mabadala left that you could just switch him to the right hand side.
Mina Velepa njoba ngisho it's a pity.
Yeah, they're already signed by the club, so it means the club believes in them.
I know you understand.
Yeah, so they're already playing for the club.
Umtuwa left wing.
Sure.
Not number 10. He's been
Umtu, you mean Shabalala? You would play him on the left hand side.
Left hand side. Check Serino at number 10. And then on the right hand side, I guess this guy ovele phayeze ngapha mhlambe cutting in ngoba uyathanda ukhatha in akhathe in makangale ngoba ngathi ukhaba ngenyawo zoyithumsa
Yeah, he's right-footed, but yeah, because
saw-
that's why under temptation he's right-footed. So Magase left, the temptation he does the same move, predictable.
Ungena
Ungena
phakathi.
ngaphakathi and then you're trying to shoot.
Now he must come this side and cross, simple. Une-speed and umuntu wakayika left ke yaziprova ngale ka left. I think
Angeke
number-
udonse umfundo Vilakazi umshaye left. You wouldn't be tempted to do that.
yazi umfundo i-HIV yakhe man. Eish, yabona i-disadvantage egroundini ma uyi-attack ungana speed. Yabona umfundi uyalazi ibhola i-disadvantage akana speed.
Yeah.
Yabo ma udlala iwinga sofuna lama pocket uzorana behind the defense ngoba sekuphutha enyaweni asithi uyaluza ne-confident uzoyiluza. So umfundo uzoze as a-impact player abazomfaka as a-impact player do ya wide ka left on the left uvele ufaka amabhola eboxini can be square pass or uzambele ukhatheni wezigorela or wide ulibuyise ngo-left simple boy. And then number 10 Serena bacabangele he can score goals uzomfida this guy mela aphaphame this guy uLepo on the right vele bamdlalisa according to his strength sakhe they play behind defense uyayishiya ngoba une-speed adlale first time because makangena phakathi uba predictable nje obusho uthatha nama-decision a-wrong I think kumele badlale kanjalo.
All right, let's look at your prediction then.
Hayi is a draw. It's gonna be difficult honestly.
Any goals in that draw?
Yeah, goal izoba khona. It's gonna be 1-1. Chiefs they're gonna score first. Yeah, no lepo uzokhashaza. Yeah, yena uzokhashaza, uzolchayisa.
Score by mistake.
No, angeke ngithi mistake. Uyabakorela.
Wayekora nge-mistake kwimarumo Gardens.
Yeah, uyabakorela. Irrespective with the type of player that I think believer kulo, but uyabakorela.
Sure.
Yabo, uzokora. Because unongitholakala eboxini most of the time utholakala eboxini and
the Makesi will equalize.
Magesi will equalize but I don't see Magesi beating Chiefs no. Abanayo this thing ukuthi ba beat Chiefs also Chiefs is going to be difficult yes badlala eDurban angazi why bayisike eDurban I'm not
I think they get money from because the municipality can invite you.
Yeah.
Even as a Polokwane, you get invited.
yeah,
You told him, as a Cape Town, when I was still in Cape Town, but told them maybe 2 million or 3 million to go and play there. So maybe they get money from there. And I'm sure for the people from Durban, they love seeing Chiefs there.
yeah it's and the fan base
Yeah.
nginokubona amasodla the final Vodacom challenge Chiefs bayincane eDurban utso can tell you even the Pirates and Chiefs and also Northwest they love Kaizer Chiefs and these two teams naseBotswana.
Sure.
So I think we're right angeke bodlala eDurban Chiefs obviously there's money that they're getting and kune fan base. I mean, like just when FNP idlala empty last week, and I don't think the technical team in jabulele leyo, and even the players they demoralized because now we can say as much as we can. They are demoralized. Honestly, access into especially for South African football, how they play.
Sure.
A big team like that, access especially now former player labo. I say Nandi. Even other former players when they talk, I say Nandi cool. Unless they change things around and but we are the brand of football less as you.
All right, nice one. We will continue with the conversation, of course, with Junior. Just want to remind you that, WSP, World Sports Betting, please visit the website, wsp.co.za. You can open an account, bet on the weekend's matches across all different sporting codes. I'm sure there's casinos and everything else to enjoy on the website. Again, the website is wsp.co.za from World Sports Betting. Let's go to Orlando Pirates then. It's a chance, every time Sundowns doesn't play at home, it's always a chance for Pirates to get an upper hand. Unfortunately for them, by losing the upper hand last week, Sundowns is actually leading by 2 points. Although, njengoba Sundowns is Africa, Pirates izoqhubeka. If they win, they will be leading by 1 point, although they will have one game in hand. So this was the advantage we're talking about. Maybe it might be an advantage. It didn't work anyways, because Sundowns are now number 1. But still, the race is still on. You play TS Galaxy, which is a very difficult opponent. If you look at Mnyango, we're top 8. They are number 9 currently, TS Galaxy. And the TS Galaxy is Sogolisi Mbombela, or they might take the game to the Solomon Mahlangu Stadium. I'm not sure which stadium, but it's a home game, TS Galaxy. The last time they hosted a big team, Bashai Sundowns Gunet Bank Cup, TS Galaxy, Mahlangu, yes. So it's a good, big match for Mpumalanga, for TS Galaxy. Maybe they're going to take it to Mbombela. How difficult will that fixture be for Pirates?
It's not easy.
Yeah, it's a tough one.
No coach Hugo Prosuti psychological magadropu chain.
Yeah, that's one I don't know. What do you think about that? I don't know about that. Like, it doesn't make sense.
Bringing this Kukune goalkeeper.
It doesn't make sense.
Yeah. Hugo Bros njengoba ngasho he like to prove a point. Yabona sometimes
because local goalkeeper uzohamba naye, sorry to cut you, uzohamba naye uye World Cup because Uchina I believe is going to go to World Cup.
he's good goalkeeper.
And he's going to go to World Cup. He's not going to be number 1, but he's going to go to
Yeah.
World Cup. So manje mawumbulala confidence man.
Angithi uyayizwa
3 months before the World Cup, what are you trying to prove? I don't understand.
ile nto engishoyo ngithi I mean the coach injury free is doing so well Uchina. You can't even look at the positioning of Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
How many games has conceded the guy? Agna much chop and change him. It's always
The
the
main
Pirates.
goalkeeper, number 1.
Aga concede even more. So they lost even more guys, but still not conceding more. So the coaching funa ukwazi ukuthi Hugo Bros makathatha le out angayibizi emfethu ilimazile that guy la. Damage la inhloko and uzomlanda vele.
Yeah, he's going to go to the World Cup.
And a coaching funa
Because
ukwazi.
there's no second best goalkeeper.
That's why ngithi planning ka Hugo Bros mina ngimangazena ngeAfcon makabizi criminal squad kungukuthi team bewin abo World Cup qualified the team criminal squad bekuyani yiko bengisayibu and abantu bayithathela light le nto mangizubiza criminal squad but you keep on winning qualify ngale team AFCON and World Cup but ubiza criminal squad and criminal squad players that they were injured ngikhuluma ngabo boMathuludi uhambe ngabo ushiya bolo that they are performing icoach yetini inkinga namanje umshishi ngiyazi ukuthi umshishi has done well in football but it's another topic yangelilanga so Pirates Pirates.
Yeah, Pirates, of course, their goalkeeper tomorrow will be China.
Yes, but
they dropped
psychologically,
points last week. They dropped points. And TS Galaxy is not an easy opponent.
Yeah, it's not an easy opponent. And Coach Orlando Pirates, they need to go back to his best 11, honestly. He must bring back Udo. Undaba umfana look shaky. You understand? We are last undaba, but kuna mama player, upegi timing. Timing is very important. How you put them in. This time of a season, critical phase of a season. And then uzolimala we coach ngoba one mistake you out undaba wenze mistake one that was a draw against Welele now which is ngikhulume Orlando la wonke umuntu angabuye arena now you playing ezusho Solomon Mahlangu which is mina ngine believe
I think it might go to Mbombela because it's a big team.
Yeah, and it's smooth vele iMbombela na yesuthu Orlando Pirates but now TS Galaxy they used to play with the intensity high. They've been difficult even to Sundowns, not only to Pirates. If Sundowns like corner good position because one of the best team, Pirates and Sundowns in the country, 2 best teams. Mangabi zoba idli Sundowns, ibe difficult ngalendlela. It's not gonna be easy game. They can play other opposition bafane. Mangibabheka mina TS Galaxy.
If they play if Ngabiza is Stellenbosch, they could lose that game. Ubizi Chipa United. That's the puzzling thing.
Yeah.
That's why I was told number 9 because on a different day you can beat a big team and then in Tanga yako it's a draw or you lose those games.
Bana this thing ukuthi undamani wambile ku Pirates. Ulo this guy Obas went to Orlando Pirates. Lebus ulo mfana Tchejani left to overseas. They've got that tendency ukuthi we're selling ourselves. I mean it's a mindset boMahlangu to Chiefs. Msimang I mean to say the center back Chiefs. So they've got that tendency to say we sell ourselves here and we siyakhetha thina and the mindset is wrong to players. Ikiriyabule. One game it's
you pick and choose the games.
And then it's a mindset wrong unfortunately. Now we're going to World Cup. Kumele ngabe nesithengise enough within any indawo. Now we beat Sundowns or beat Pirates, but you're not even the national team. Ayenza sense to me. So going to the game, coach yabo, I think inayo this team.
Oh yeah, that hand prove the previous coach Ramovic, Nale Pekanovic, that hand prove. I think even nabo baya audition.
Yeah, ngisho kanjalo.
Nale previous Ramovic uthole Spain, North Africa, Algeria.
With these big
because
teams.
he used to beat these big teams.
Sundowns become difficult to rule on.
Yeah.
They even the coach coach. Technically it's gonna be difficult. You play 1-on-1 tomorrow. And they get the fittest team, one of the fittest team, they get playing intensity high. It's gonna be difficult in Mbombela. Pirates another game.
Do you think just on this point, do you think Pirates can be tempted to change a lot because but drop my points last time? Do you think le lokwata kwe management ukuthi you guys drop points because I can see there's tension as well nabalandeli bathi abadlali abafuna ukuvalelisa mabahambe stadium blah 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 lento nje stop booing our players. There's some negativity as well. Do you think the management might be angry at some of the players and maybe change 4 or 5 tomorrow?
I can tell you
I suspect that
he's going to start the game and I can tell you tomorrow Woto is going to play. I see Woto playing and in team yabo lapho izoba njalo and obvious ngibona mangibheka mina obvious the coach uzomdlalisa nomtetshela he will tell Relay to go wide tomorrow this coach on the left hand side and then ngapha uzocala ngwapolice and then mhlawumbe bomrembe bacale ngaphandle la ku number 10 uNomtshechela is going to be there tomorrow uMakhehleni and this guy
Umbatha
uMbatha
got an injury last game. Unyamezeli injury, if
is
you
going to
remember.
play bomdlalisa nge-injection and he's a very important player for Orlando Pirates and once he's not going to be there Pirates uzoba ne-drive enkulu ngoba you need a-engine umuntu ozodefenda aphinde asidlalise energetic umuntu ovelayo Pirates bane-tendency nabo ukuthi badlala amabhola lowo if abaveli labo Makhehleni ngoba uye umuntu onokuvela onesibindi odlala lama-pockets ya ngikhuluma ngombatha icabanga isinjadi and nalast week macethola injury uma wabheka igame ePirates
changed,
yeah so uzodlala nge-injury and it's difficult guy adlala nge-injury now uyazifoster uNomtshechela coach amncane ngibona kusasa uzomdlala mina Nomtshechela ezo number 10 ngibona kanjalo and adlale nga 2 defensive midfield bazoba sort of a stereotype tomorrow izodlala nga 3 central midfield Nomtshechela Makhehleni Nombatha and then they will allow Police really wide ngibona baya kanjalo evident Maghopa bazoba kanjalo lo Pirates.
All right, let's look at the result then. Sorry,
Another
the
draw,
prediction.
another draw.
Goals or no goals?
Yeah, it's going to be draw. Yeah, goal. Yes, it's over number draw. It's going to be 2-2 or 1-1. Yeah, it's going to be draw. It's over difficult.
Yeah, I think if Pirates drop any more points, they might start to kiss the title goodbye.
Honestly,
if they drop points anymore,
yeah,
they might kiss the
on
title.
a team sheet, Pirates the best team compared to ETS Galaxy. But these guys, have a tendency to choose games. Izobanzima le game kuzobona.
No, I agree. Ubunzima Bai. I agree that it's going to be a difficult one.
Yeah, so they're not going to beat Orlando Pirates. That one I can guarantee they can't. Anything can happen in football, true. But if Pirates, they start panicking. Psychological issue, inexperienced players. But talented, really. But you can't compare with them with seasoned players. Ngikhuluma ngabo Mshishi, Bushalulile. Noma ngabo soma wabo, but seasoned players, they get composed. It matters most, they rise his hand. They keep it simple. Toluto Munifunu overdose because he's talented but inexperienced. Because Pirates being a Milan Trema came in Marumokalans. I think the situation is well, I mean to say.
Yeah.
Sorry. Sweden, they are being a Milan metro. That's a game made by no match one, go crane 1-0 done. 3 points is now the coach is under pressure. Now players they are under pressure. Technical team they get involved. There's supporters booing other players.
Yeah.
There's tension between supporters now and technical team nama players. So sekunzima manje and they need those supporters more. Ubonile Pirates when they are happy. Ngikhuluma ngama support technical team.
Orlando.
It's sold out angaza this year be 8 or 9. Which is not normal. Sikhuluma nga previous even Sundowns won the league 9 times they never had sold out kaningi kangaka. Ngikhuluma nga 8 times. Yabo even Chiefs is big. Sold out maybe Derby. Not the Makemino abo nabanye abantu. Pirates sold out about 7-8 because the brand of football that they were playing. They must go back to the drawing board. Just be composed. Add extra effort to individual players. Talk to them. Sit in our need at player. Also come to management to our fans because they need these fans. Ngihlale ngisho mina ama technical team leni angisho ukuthi ama fans adele nama team because bengeke if lama team wangekho bengeke bakwazi ku stadium nabo bobukele they need to respect these people because there's their finance but management they need to respect fans because they are abantu nabo because of these people. Yeah, they buy tickets with their money, jerseys and tracksuits, so they support there.
Nice one. Thank you very much. Yeah, if any points are dropped, I believe by Orlando Pirates, I suppose it will not be mathematically over, but I think it will be psychologically a mountain to climb. It will be very difficult. So it's an important one. Even if you win by 1-0, hang in there. Even if you win by 2-1, hang in there. But if you drop any further points, because Sundowns will keep on winning. I mean, we didn't even anticipate that they will turn things around. And at the beginning of 2026, after the African Cup of Nations, they turned the corner. And you could start to see people like Surprise Moriri next to the president, people like Tiane Mabunda next to the president, Hlompo Kekana, and you start to realize that maybe changes have been made here. And you saw those changes on the field of play as well, with the type of players and the type of game that they're playing. So you are fighting a formidable opposition. If you don't sort yourself out and lose any more games, you'll be in trouble. It is Skitivity Times, we're suspecting.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Itiski TV.